Design. The main types of foundations based upon several building characteristics are isolated planes, currently not feasible. Then the planes connected by foundation beams, reverse beams, a plate used for low quality grounds. That means low quality soils. The filling of foundations grounds takes place according to the mechanical properties of the grounds themselves. We can identify the following categories. Category A, homogeneous rock foundation. Category B, compact granular or clay soil. Category C, quite compact granular or clay soil. Category D, not much compact granular or clay soil. Category E, alluvial surface layer ground, very low quality soil. The type of foundation is selected according to the type of ground. For instance, in the case of homogeneous rock foundation, connected by planes are selected, while in the case of very low quality grounds, plates are chosen. Both grounds and structure can be more or less deformable. Their combination can or cannot cause the amplification of the seismic effects on the structure. Ground, in fact, is a filter with respect to all the main seismic waves, as steeper soil fosters high frequency seismic waves, while less compact soil accommodates lower frequency waves. Therefore, a steep building characterized by high fundamental frequency suffers amplified damage when built on steep ground and then subjected to higher frequencies. For instance, suppose there are two buildings that share the same high steepness. They stand on two different soil types. The first steep and rocky, the second sandy and deformable. If subjected to the same seismic event, the building on the steep ground suffers greater damage. Then the mitigation. The methods most used to mitigate the problems of the ground structure interaction consists of the employment of the before seen isolation systems and some ground brace techniques, which are adopted above all on the low quality ones, that is category D and E. The most diffused techniques are the jet grouting technique and the pilework technique. The jet grouting technique consists of injecting in the subsoil some liquid concrete by means of a drill. When this concrete hardens, it forms a sort of column that consolidates the surrounding soil. This process is repeated on all areas of the structure. The pilework technique consists of the using piles which once inserted in the ground support the foundation and the building above it by moving the loads or the weights towards soil layers that are deeper and therefore more compact and movement resistant. Thank you. Granular or clay soil, category D, not